what's up, Bunny? That was terrible. Let's do that again. It's Debb Bunni. Hey, what's up, bunnies? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am doing a review on the new Galaxy Earbuds Plus. But before we get started with this video, if you could like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But guys, let's jump right into it. So, I got in these Galaxy Earbuds, the new Galaxy Earbud Plus, and I am in love. I'm in love with the color. The sound is really clear. But wait, let's start with the color first. The color of the earbuds, I got the dark blue ones. There are plenty of other colors. It is very vibrant. It is gorgeous. I love the color of these headphones. They are way better than the regular buds. I had both of them. I had the buds, but unfortunately I lost them. But I got the new ones. As I started using these headphones, I just got them, but since I started using them, they are very, very clear. They are way clearer than the other ones. I had called my boyfriend on them, and he said he could hear me perfectly clear, mostly with the left earbud, but the other one do work, is very clear, but the left one is clearer, as he says, supposedly. But they are very clear. I also use the noise, so you can hear out, what's it called? When you can hear the outside world. I also use that. It's very good. I like it. I love it. The app, oh my gosh, the app and being upgraded is really, really nice. But as far as the earbuds, they don't fill out your ear at all. Add them in, and they're very comfortable. They also come with extra rings and earpieces to it. I believe the other ones came with them too, but the other ones, they was very uncomfortable when it came to my ears. Like on top, they would hurt my ears, but these, they are very, very, very comfortable on my ears, and I love the color. They have different colors. They have this dark blue one that I got. They got red ones, a light blue one, and I think silver. I'm not sure. I know about the dark blue, the light blue, and the red ones. And they should have black, of course. I really recommend these earbuds. They are super, super, super comfortable in your ears. The colors are perfect. The inside is beautiful. The headphones itself is beautiful. They said these headphones have 11 hours playtime, two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics to clear voice calls, and wireless charging. What I also like about these buds is that you can connect to multiple devices. Not only that, the very first earbuds, I would lose my earbuds like a lot. When you page your earbuds, they wasn't that loud. When you page your earbuds on these, they are very loud. You could track where your earbuds is at. If you lost it, you could locate your earbuds anywhere they at. You could locate them separately also. If you lost your right earbud, say probably like what, on the bus, you could locate it and it would tell you that you lost it on the bus, even when it's not connected to your phone. That is great. I love that. I would lose my earbuds and I would forget them and I would misplace them and I could never find them. And the beeping was very low, but the beeping on these are very loud. I really like that they put a tracking that you could locate your earbuds. That's a bonus. That is a big bonus. That is a big bonus. Also, I also like how the inside of the earbuds have the left and the right symbol. The last one, they didn't have that, which is nothing there. I like it. They have the L and the R inside the case. What I like about the case, I like that the case do not click. When I had my first ones, when you open it, it click. I thought I always broke my case, but I love that these don't click. It just stops at the point and you cannot go further. I love that it don't click. This is my review for my earbuds, and I totally recommend them. I really do. I recommend these headphones. So if you do not have them, get them. Don't get no AirPods. Get Galaxy Earbuds Plus. You will love the colors. The colors are very, 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 very vibrant. But bunnies, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you next time in another one of my videos. How you like that? No? Okay, bunnies, thank you for watching my videos. I will be seeing you next time in another one of my videos. Bunny!